Hello friends, I am Praveen. Welcome to my channel Stenographer a White Collar Job. Be ready for the dictation. 5 4 3 2 1 start. Having given our thoughtful consideration to the submissions, we are unable to accept the same. We say so for the reasons that in terms of the directions issued by this court, services of guest faculty teachers were required to be dispensed with, and that order was duly upheld by the Supreme Court. However, the cut-off date was extended from time to time for one or the other reasons. The learned single judge has found no rhyme or reason for extending such date hitherto 25. There appears to be lack of bona fide on the part of state authorities in not honoring the previous court's directions which have attained finality. There appears to be some sort of collusion between guest faculty teachers and the authorities, for the reasons best known to the latter, who have been taken one or the other stances, sometimes contradictory also, with a view to retain the guest faculty teachers instead of making regular recruitments. There are concerted efforts to defy the court's directions and create a situation where the court becomes helpless in giving time-bound directions. The resultant effect is that from last more than 316 years, the guest faculty teachers, who in total are exceeding and out of whom have been identified as surplus, are still retained in service, maybe so as to preserve the vote bank or for the reasons other than merit, administrative or public interest. It has been specifically observed by this court that cut-off date fixed by this court as observed by the Supreme Court was not adhered to, and further that there appears to be some sort of collusion between the guest teachers and the authorities for the reasons best known to them, who had been taking contrary stand. With a view to retain the guest teachers, regular recruitments were not made. There had been concerted efforts to defy the court's directions and create a situation where the court becomes helpless. Another important fact which was stated by learned additional advocate general appearing for the state was that on computerization of the entire data and verification process, it was found that as against registration of about 22 lakh students in different government schools in the state of Haryana, about 4 lakhs admissions were found to be fake. The court directed the government of Haryana to inquire into the matter and produce the status